Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to draw a threaded bolt in Abaqus. So this is I've drawn a sample bolt. So this is a M5 bolt. The head is not based on M5, but the shank is based on M5. So let us draw. For that, first you need to draw a plane. I'll draw YZ plane. So we have now the YZ plane. Next you long press this and select the revolve cut. So from here select the plane. Next select any of the line. Now see, we have to draw M5 bolt. So first we need to draw the thread. For that this is the dimension of a M5 bolt. We have the diameter and all. So all other parameters have been given, and also you can see the I would say the V shape or the thread inclination is 60 degree total inclination, so half will be 30 degree, and this shape is this line width is p by 4. So p is our 0.8 from here we have got, so it will be 0.2. So for that let us first draw a line of size 0.2. Now what we'll do is we'll draw a vertical line and we'll draw two inclined lines. Just draw two random inclined lines, and now we'll try to make the angle 30 degree. So select the first vertical line because we don't want the vertical line to move. Next select the inclined line and make the angle 30. Same way, select the vertical line, select the inclined line, select, make it 30. So we have this. Now so the line have been created. So let's see what we need next. Next we need is where it should be placed. So from bolt axis, this will be inner diameter, it is d1. So you can use this formula to calculate the d1. Here it implies d minimum, so for that you can use this formula. Using this formula, d major is nothing but the diameter of the shank. So I have got it is 2.054. so let us go here. So I have to set a construction line at the center. So I have set a construction line at the center. Next from here we want this point to be this much length distance. So I'll simply do one more thing. I want to place it at this point itself. So for that I need to draw a construction line again. I'll delete that construction line. So here I have reduced the grid spacing. You can go and I have make it 0.1 here. You can do it like this. I'll be setting one more construction line. Later I'll delete this construction line. The horizontal construction line should be there because it will be used as an axis of rotation. So this is the construction line I have selected. Now I'll move this arrangement. I'll take the center point of it and move it over this construction line. Now this distance from the center would be from here to here, it will be 2 point this. So I have calculated using this formula. d minimum. You can use d major minus 0.82 p, so you can use it. Okay, so there is some mistake. Okay, let me create a line of this length, and I'll place this line at the center. Now I want this to be here. Later I'll delete this line. I'll now again use this move option. I'll move it. I'll move this. Sorry. I'll move this arrangement. I'll unselect the construction line. Move this arrangement over here. So we have got our final position. Now I need to delete all the other lines which are unnecessarily present over here. Now see, this is what our thread dimension. We need to extend this line. Why we need to extend? Because it must cut the complete assembly. Now I'll also extend this line and I'll join it with this, and I'll delete the remaining. See, only this portion is required to be there. Rest these are useless, so I'll also delete this. Now why I placed at half? Because this should be cutting. This is the first cut, so first cut it will be half, and yeah. So one more thing, instead of placing it over there, I'll keep it like this, and okay there. So I made a mistake. It should be here. I need to move this arrangement so that my end of the thread is properly arranged, because at the end it should be like this. It should be like a sharp ending, the way we have the threads. So now done. Over here, as you can see, this is the cut we have made. Now it is asking me for the angle and also the pitch. So pitch I'll keep 0.8 because M5 pitch is 0.8, and the angle you'll have to do trial and error. Also you'll have to move the flip the angle, flip the direction on which it should be pitched, or it should move the thread. So this is the direction, because I want in the downward direction. Pitch will be 0.8. I'll keep it approximately 1500 angle, so I hope it will cut. Yeah, so we have our cut over here. So this is the cut. What I want to measure is, I just want to check one thing. Go to tools, query, distance, and just check. Yeah, it is 0.2, and also I would like to check the diameter of inner diameter, because distance would be this point, and where is the center point? Okay, so these are not visible properly. The center point is not visible properly, so what I'll have to do is, because there are too many points over here, I'll go here. Let me check, is there any option to, yeah. Now I have done all the points. Be easier for me to measure the distance. So this distance is 2.05, which we have used this using this formula. So this is quite okay. Now see, there is a problem. The end should not be like this. So what we'll have to do is, we'll have to trim it. Let's see, is there any option to get rid of that path? Okay, so I'm not getting any other option. We will increase this little bit. I'll make 1600. No, we want it to be at the edge, up to the edge, so make it 1800. Let's see. Okay, so I'll go a little bit more, 1900, I think. Okay, so this has made a cut on the head, so I'll reduce it to 1850. Again, you can see there is a cut, so make it 1825. Okay, so this should be good enough, sufficient enough. I'll go a little bit more. Okay, 40. Okay, it is making a cut. 35. You can calculate the length and all, so I'm not doing that. I'll just do randomly. Okay, still it is making a cut. No, so this is perfect. So for the safety, I'll just keep it 30 only. This will do my job. Now I also want to get rid of this, so what I'll do is, I'll go to this section and I'll save this section, sketch 1. Why I'm doing it? Because I'll again make a revolve cut. I'll display all the points. I'll again make a revolve cut, go again the same way, and what I'll do, I'll bring the sketch 1 over here again. It has not been placed properly, so I need to translate it. I'll translate this one to here. So now it has been placed properly. I'll go done. Now see, previously we have moved this side, now we'll move on the opposite side. So I'll flip the direction. I need to move this side, keeping the pitch on the upward side. So if I keep it, I'll just give any value, don't matter. So if I just skip, you'll see that most probably that one got eliminated. If not, then I'll have trouble. So yeah, that problem, we have eliminated that problem. So we have now the proper thread. So this is a proper thread, I would say, proper type of thread for M5 bolt. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and if you have doubt, any query, you can ask me, you can contact me. I have given my contact details, and please subscribe. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe. You can make this part also like this, but not required. So thread is proper. And again, thank you for tuning into my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe.